If you're an Australian mortgage broker using ChatGPT or Gemini, you've probably noticed it. Sounds a bit American. It talks about escrow, checking accounts, and points. Not only does that look unprofessional to an Aussie client, but it's a compliance nightmare. So in this video, I will show you how to set up a ChatGPT and Gemini to think and talk like an Australian professional mortgage broker. First, click your profile in the bottom left. Inside your settings, go to Personalization. Then move down to Custom Instructions. This indicates the professional voice of your brand. You define the tone, language and terminology, formatting, mandatory disclaimer. It tells ChatGPT to always end marketing posts with a standard advice disclaimer, which is important. I've put the exact template in the description below. Copy and tweak it. The exact prompt I use in the videos. Description below. Copy it. Tweak it. Move down. Under Occupation, we're telling it, I am an Australian mortgage broker governed by the NCCP Act and bid. In more about you. Mention your goal and specialized areas here. I've put the exact template in the description below. Next, I will show you how to set up custom instruction in Gemini. Go to Settings, cog icon, in the left bottom corner. Look for Personal Context. Personal Context is opened. Move down to your instructions for Gemini. I already added the custom instruction here. Click on the Edit button. A pop-up window is opened. You can update and change the text here. Similar instruction used in ChatGPT. Click Add Plus to add more instruction. And then paste your instruction here. Next, I will show you how to create a broker Gemini. On the left sidebar, click Gems. In Gems Manager, click New Gem and name it Aussie Broker Pro. In the instructions box, paste this system prompt. It includes local context, simplification, strategy, and output. If this helped, hit subscribe for more AI tips for brokers in my channel.